Fucking thick. That cat's like, when should I go for it? Go! Damn it! Run! Oh, shit, I think she heard me. I think she fucking heard me. Oh, that's funny. That's fucking hilarious. I didn't mean to shout that loud. Oh shit, I forgot about this. Thank you! I expected the cop to come up here, but it was me instead. That's funny as fuck. Oh, it's so warm. Woo! Oh my god. Fucking hell. It's boiling. It's about bloody time we got some good weather. Oh, there we go, found the source of all this traffic. What the shit, fire engine. What the fuck happened here? I'm sorry, but I want to have a little nosy. Oh. Yeah, yeah. What, could I just cut through now a little bit? No.
There's no chaos here.
You don't want more people.
Huh?
You don't want more people injured, do you?
Oh, yeah. I've been knocked off a motorbike, I know how bad it hurts.
Yeah. 3 times now I've been knocked off.
How many?
3. And I'm only 19.
Well, they can't all be their fault, can they?
Some of them's my fault. One's my fault, the rest were theirs.